Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Wanda Pratiwi. I am a student of Accounting Education 2018 of Universitas Negeri Jakarta. In this occasion, I want to share about my internship report at Financial Subdivision of Badan Perencanaan Pembangunan Daerah Bappeda DKI Jakarta Province. And here is the topic for today. The first topic is about the company profile, the second topic is about my job as an intern, and the last topic is about the obstacle and how I solve it. But before we go to the first topic, let me explain about the place and the time of my internship program. I applied my internship to Bappeda, DKI Jakarta Province, which located at second floor of Balai Kota Building, Medan Merdeka Selatan Street of Central Jakarta, DKI Jakarta. The internship program began on August 13 and ended on September 18. I worked from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. on Monday till Thursday, and on Friday I worked from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And here is the first topic. The company profile. Badan Perencanaan Pembangunan Daerah Bappeda DKI Jakarta Province was established based on the very first government regulation, that is Presidential Decree number 19 of 1964 concerning the establishment of the Regional Development Coordination Board, to the very last government regulation, that is Minister of Home Affairs Decree number 362 of 1997 concerning the organizational patterns of regional and regional government. And within the government activities, Badan Perencanaan Pembangunan Daerah Bappeda has a basic task of conducting key governance functions in the field of planning and governance support for research and development. And within Bappeda activities, the financial subdivisions implements Bappeda financial management, among others, through financial administration, preparation of reports, and financial accountability, as well as accountability for the implementation of the duties of financial subdivisions in accordance with applicable laws and regulations. And here is the vision and the mission of Bappeda DKI Jakarta Province. The vision is to become an integrated and professionalism planning agency to bring about a synergy of the new Jakarta development planning. To reach the vision, there are a mission. The first mission is developing human resources as an expert and global visionary. The second mission is lay out a plan to build a quality area. The third mission is improve coordination, monitoring, controlling, and assessments on the region planning and implementation. And the last mission is developing statistical function and regional research. And here is the organizational structure of Bappeda DKI Jakarta. Based on Governor Regulation number 146 of 2019. Bappeda DKI Jakarta was led by the head of the agency and the chief deputy of the agency, and the financial subdivision is a part of the secretariat of the agency. The next topic is about my job as an intern at Financial Subdivision of Bappeda DKI Jakarta Province. My first job is doing logging and checking on the SKPD or UKPD expenditure realization report. I was given the task of examining the report as well as recording it in Microsoft Excel format so that it could be used as a backup document for the financial subdivision. In this report, what must be considered is the suitability between the account number column and the shopping account name, and the calculation results in the first realization and the second realization column. In addition, there are calculations regarding expenditure expenses and calculation of taxes that received and issued. The next job is doing logging and checking the inventory mutation. Inventory mutation is a report that contains the use of consumables and other inventories. In this part of the task, I was given a document in the form of an inventory mutation report belonging to Bappeda in the 2020 period in PDF format. I record the data contained in the core report into Microsoft Excel format, as well as I check the code and the item name that lists on the report. The next job is checking the inventory card of Bappeda DKI Jakarta Province. This inventory card is used to record inventory items including the type of the item, the quantity, the material, and origin of the item. I inputting the data on the inventory card in PDF format into Microsoft Excel format to adjust goods before it used until the item is removed from the inventory item group. Next is checking the realization of Suban Peko and Suban Pekap on ICT spending. I was given the data on the realization of expenditure in the region and the realization of expenditure in all regions in DKI Jakarta. And then I checked the realization of spending in the Central Jakarta and Kepulauan Seribu regions. If differences are found in this report and the main data, I give a mark on the report on the realization of ICT spending in each of these regions. The next job is verifying the expenditure realization of SKPD Bappeda DKI Jakarta Province. In this part of the job, I was given the data regarding the realization of spending by Bappeda. Next, I check the suitability of the activity code, the activity name, the account code, and the realization column. If there is a differences, I give a mark on the part that is not suitable for further correction. Then, I also required to check the final realization total so that it is adjusted to the main data. Next is arranging job analysis for financial subdivision. Job analysis is used to find out what abilities an employee must have. With job analysis, it can also be seen how many people are needed to perform tasks for these employees. I arranging job analysis of the financial subdivision consisting of the head of the financial subdivision, expenditure treasurer, financial administration, financial data processing, and financial verification. In this part, I'm sorry I can't show you the picture because of Bappeda regulation. And the next job is checking reconciliation of Suban Peko and Suban Pekap financial statements. I check whether the financial statements of each region are suitable with the reconciliation report. If there is differences in the report, I making notes containing the shortcomings of the report to be used as correction material. And the last job is inputting payroll of employee. I input the data regarding employee name, their income, and their deduction. The list of the payroll that are imputed start from January to the 13th salary that each employee receives. In addition, I should check to the class of the employees so that there are no mistakes when imputing the basic salary and the benefits as well as deductions that employees will receive and pay. And here is the last topic. The last topic is about the obstacles that I face and how I solve it. The first obstacle is the guideline for arranging job analysis didn't cover all the required data, so that several corrections occurred in the compilation process. In addition, there are several different formats between this year and the previous year. And according to Uniarti 2016 on her paper, job analysis is used as a basis for performance appraisal for employees. Then the result for the assessment will be used as a basis for a person by the staffing agency for the employee promotion. It shows how job analysis is very important. So me as an intern doesn't want to make a mistake. Therefore, I interviewing directly with the employee for the preparation of job analysis. The second obstacle is the signal network at the office is not good. So when I need the internet to do something online, the process is slower than it should be. And to overcome this obstacle, I realized when we are working, we should have two things. The first thing is initiative attitude, and the second thing is adaptability. According to ASI 2017 in her paper, initiative attitude is the context of work behavior in which a person starts his own work, is proactive and able to overcome obstacles in order to develop and become a major factor in the level of effectiveness of an organization in achieving its performance. While adaptability is a level where a person makes adjustments to change and instability in an unpredictable organizational environment. And the last obstacle is when I recording employee payroll, there are several different names of the employee in several months in the main data. And how do I solve this? I ask the supervisor about it, and she gives provisions for these problems so I can do the task well. I think the key is about communication. How we communicate with the others when we are working, it affects to our working quality. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.